Alright, so let's start our video. Today what we're doing is we are counting by tens and by ones. Okay? Alright, so let's watch our video to see what's happening. Here we are, visual learning. Oh, let me make sure this isn't too loud from the service this morning. Okay, so count by tens and by ones. Remember, if they ask a question, you can say it out loud, okay? Give me the answer.
How do you count a large group of objects? Let's take a look. What is the quickest way you can count these cubes?
What do you think? How are we going to count them by tens, though?
Ones.
Okay, so count them by ones, you think?
Twos.
Twos? Okay. Now, they're all scattered, remember? They're not connected. Remember, we talked about, like, there's cube trains when they're connected? We usually see sets of 10, right? Are any of these connected? Well, could we connect them? We could do that. That would make it a little bit quicker. But like you said, if you make them into groups of like twos or by fives or by tens, that would make it a little easier to count. But right now, you just have to count by what? By ones, right? Because they're all separated. Okay, good. Let's see what they say.
One possible answer is count by twos.
Oh, okay. We said that.
Another answer is count by fives.
Great.
Yet another answer is count by tens.
All right, we were right, guys.
How does counting by tens work? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next.
Okay. All right, so we're going to do some counting by tens. Here it comes. All right. Let's see what they say. All right, so it says drag 10 cubes into each section to make it easier to count. Okay, so help me. It's going to count over here, but go ahead. You can count over here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so there's a set of 10. Oh, here we go. Getting a workout today.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, another set of 10. Woo! Good thing I'm dressed up in my sweats today like Mr. S. Here we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so far, how many do I have? When you're counting by tens, who can tell me quickly? Dee.
6.
Perfect, right? Because you already know count by tens. Let's all do it together. 10, 20, 30. Excellent. Okay, so let's keep going to this last group here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo! All right. Okay, so when we count by tens, let's do it again. Ready? We have, you count, I'm not counting.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Excellent. Okay, so all together, when you put them in groups of 10, we have 40. Much quicker than sitting there counting by ones. Correct? All right, here we go.
How many cubes are there in all?
How many are there?
Let's count.
Here,
1, 2,
go. You're going by ones. Here we go.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Oh, there's only 34 in this group.
There are 34 cubes in
All
all.
right, does that take longer? Counting
How
by
is
tens?
the bottom group of cubes different from the top group of cubes?
How is this different? Why are these different?
4.
They look very different, right, Will?
Because they're not connected.
Okay, they're not connected. These are in sets of what? This is a group of what, Alita?
10.
10. These are in groups of 10. These are not connected, so we just count by ones. How many ones do you see here, Valentina?
4.
4, okay? So we would count this, guys, count with me, ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Excellent.
Yeah.
You guys did great. We counted by tens, right? Okay, then we counted by ones. Awesome. You guys got it.
Count them by tens.
Here we go. 10,
20,
20,
30.
40.
oh, wait.
How can you count the cubes that are left?
We count by what?
10.
No, we don't count by tens. Ones. We count by ones. Okay, so she's gonna probably have you count. You ready?
Count them by ones.
Here we go.
31,
32, 33, 34. And that's it.
How was counting the bottom group of cubes different from counting the top group of cubes?
How is it different? Who can tell me? Victoria.
Because they're not connected.
Yeah, they're not connected and they're not in sets of what? Tens. Right? The top were in sets of tens. We count by tens. And the bottom, they're not connected, so we just have to count them by ones. Okay? Good.
One possible answer is it was faster.
Well, that's true too, right? It's good counting.
Why is grouping and counting by tens a faster way to count?
Well, we've talked about
One
this.
possible answer is there are fewer groups to count. How many cubes in all?
34.
34, right? Very good.
There are 34 cubes in all. Suppose you took one set of 10 cubes away.
Uh-oh.
How many cubes would there be?
Who can tell me? How many cubes would there be now if I took away a set of 10? How many are there? Caitlin.
20.
20 what? Don't forget the ones. 20. Okay, this is 20. 10, 20. Then you have to count by ones, Caitlin. So this is, everyone do it with me. 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many, Caitlin? 24, okay? So the ones didn't change. It was just the tens. So instead of 34, we go to 24. Does that make sense? Okay.
There would be 24 cubes. You counted a big group of cubes. You practiced counting by tens first, and then counting on by ones.
Awesome. Okay, so get your name on this paper. Let's start with the front page. Let's all the chair. All right, you guys are pretty good with this, so now let's practice it. Okay, so that very first page.
I'm not even watching.
Oh yeah, good idea, right? Okay. All right. So listen to the question. What do you need, Finn?
Your like thing it has something weird.
Oh, on the iPad? Okay, we'll go check it out.
It says like
Something on the iPad. Okay, but you guys listen here.
Do you see some cubes? How many cubes are there? What would be a quick way to count all of the cubes? Write the number to tell how many.
Okay, so tell me, what would be a quick way to count these cubes? What am I gonna do? Brady. Okay, I'm gonna start by counting by tens because that's what I have here. I've got rows of 10. Okay, so let's do that first. Ready?
20, 30, 40, 50.
Okay, stop right there. So I got 50. I counted by tens. But now what am I gonna do with the rest of these? Evelyn, what am I gonna do next?
Count by one.
Okay, so I have 50. All right, let's keep going. Ready, everyone? Together. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, so let's write that number. How am I going to make a 55? How do I make a 55, Alina?
A 5 and a 5.
A 5 and a 5. Very good. So 55. Everyone's got that? Very good. Very good. Okay. All right, on the side there, just write the number to tell how many, how would you do a quick way? Yeah, we're not going to do anything on the side. Let's just leave it. Okay, go ahead and lift and turn to the next page. I don't want to do anything that's going to confuse you guys. All right. So that's all we're going to be doing today, guys. We're going to count by our tens and then by our ones. So let's practice it a little bit together first, and then you're going to do a little bit on your own then. Alrighty, Ruth. Fingers crossed that thing's open for us. Woo, all right, good. Okay. Okay, ready? All right, so number one, they already circled 87. So let's check it, make sure that they're correct. Let's count by tens and then by ones. Everyone together, nice and loud. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now count by ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Are they right? Yes, so go over that circle, please. Yes, they are correct. It's 87. Now, do you guys hear when I say count by ones, I don't mean just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you have to remember, when we stopped, we were at 80. So then you're going to add 1 to that, and you're going to keep adding your ones. So remember that. So if you stop at 40, then you go 41, 42. If I stopped at 20, you'd say 21, 22, 23. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, just don't forget to do that. All right, number 2. Who can count this one for me? Who wants to give it a try? Victoria, do it nice and loud for us, the green keys.
10, 20, 30, 40,
Now count by ones. 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
So say it again, nice and loud. What's our total?
46.
46. Way to go. That was very good, Victoria. Very good. Okay, everyone circle 46?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Flip the whole thing over. For number 3, we have some red cubes here. Okay. No, these ones we're going to do together still. Okay. So number 3, let's do this one together. Let's count. Let's count by tens. Ready? Start by tens and then by ones. Excuse me, I don't have everyone ready. When we're ready, remember, use your pencil to point to each one. That'll be a little bit easier. Ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Very good. So which one's 72? A what and a what? How do I make a 72, Riley? 7 and then 2. Very good, 72. If you know it, circle it right away, okay? All right, number 4. Let's see. Faye, can you count this one for us?
10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Excellent. Do you know what a 33 looks like? Which one am I going to circle?
The 3
Say it again. You're right, I think.
3 and 3.
Yes, you said it right. 3 and 3. One at the bottom here. 33. Awesome. Okay, number 5. Let's do this one together. Everyone together. Ready? Here we go.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Whoa. I only see 4 sets of 10. Let's try it again. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now count by ones. 41, 42. Okay, which one's 42? Valentina? 4 and 2. Very good. 42. Then don't worry about it, bud. We got it covered, okay? We're on it. Okay? All right, and the last one, number 6. Evelyn, can you count this one for us? Nice and loud. Oh, Evelyn, I can't hear you back there. I'm way up here. I need you to be a little bit louder.
10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Very good. 34. So which one number am I going to circle for 34, Dean?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. 34. Very good. 34. All right. How are we doing? Thumbs up? You're good? You feel good about it? All right. If you're a little stuck when we're going to count these next ones, that's all right. Take your time. So flip to the back. Go ahead and I want you to do 7, 8, and 9, and then pencils down. We're good? Okay. Quietly count to yourself. Count by tens, then by ones. Circle the number that tells you how many. I'll give you some time to do that. Get your numbers. 68. Perfect. We got it.
Start at the beginning. Yeah. 46.
Okay. Thumbs up if we're good. Okay. A couple of us accidentally, I think we all got it fixed though. You guys were counting these right, a lot of us, but we were just circling the wrong number. Okay, so here this was how many? What did everybody get for that one, Jenna? 68. A lot of you guys were doing 86. So be careful, don't flip the numbers. That's 86. We wanted 68. Okay, but I think everyone fixed it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, and I'll go around and check the other ones later. But just be careful, remember, you count by tens, and then you have to remember to stop, and then count by the ones. Don't keep counting by tens when they're all separated, okay? All right, in number 10, pay attention here. All right, it says, draw cubes to show how to arrange the number 25 for easy counting. So here's what we're gonna do. 25. Let's count by tens first. Now to represent 10, we're just gonna make a long rectangle. Are you watching? See how they're like long rectangles? So let's do this. Oh, let me get my pen right now. So how many sets of 10 do we need? 25. How many sets of 10 do we actually need? Remember, this is our 10 spot. This is our 1. Remember we talked about that? 10s and 1s. How many 10s do we need, Finn? 2. So watch this. Let's draw it and count it. Ready? So it's, here's 1. That's 10. Make a long rectangle. That's one set of 10, Evelyn. Right? You're doing this with me? And then 20. See that? Okay, so we have 10, 20. Now how many ones do I need? So we did 2 10s. How many ones do I need, Will? 5. Okay, so we're gonna make little cubes. You ready? Little squares? Here we go. So it says 21. Say it with me when we do it. 22, 23, 24, 25. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's go back and let's count it now. How will we count this? We would go, let's all do it together. Ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Alina, can you do that for me? No, start again. No, count by tens. Come on. No, remember we don't count by tens here. We count by ones. So you stay in the 20s. We're at 20. So now after 20s, you count by ones. You're in the 20s. So 20 what?
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay, and we got to remember to stay in the 20s, okay? All right. Okay, guys, good job. We'll stop right there. Oh, actually, here. We have, oh, we don't do that. We have to have I know those are the ones I'm going to try to do at some point.
Yeah, that paper again.
Reteach. Just the reteach. Okay, so we're doing reteach. This is just going to review real fast some of our numbers here. Okay, that we just worked on, counting by tens, okay? Reteach. Oh, you know what? This is 11.5. We need 11.4. Hold on, sorry, hold on.
5.